ride, maybe you could be my caddy. What you say we pick us up a six-pack of natty? Aw, nice. She had a sweet little southern twang, said we don't have to talk about forever things. For tonight, maybe we could just hang